Oh.
So you survived a night of boondocking? Yeah. You hate it, don't you?
Hate it. I don't like the parking lots because I know they're not, but I always think they're going to come and tell me, like, wait.
And you're gonna have to, do it again a couple more times.
How do you give someone a hat for over here? Let's throw We really don't want to pick up one.
We really don't want to
We
what?
don't want to pick up because you would have to get one that's got 4 seats as you.
Yeah. The Jeeps and Renegades have 4 seats, but still.
That wouldn't be bad. Come on. I like the place on
All right, back on the road. That's a routine thing for us. We had just left Julesburg, Colorado, and we're now in Nebraska. I know one joke. I don't know any jokes, but I know this one. There was when Custer and his troops were out there in South Dakota, one of his assistants came running up to him and he goes, "Oh, Custer, I have good news and I have bad news." And he goes, "Okay, what's the good news?"
Yeah,
I guess I don't know this joke very good. All right,
bad news.
the bad news? Want to give that last. What's the good news? We're surrounded by Indians and it looks like we're going to be, all of us are going to be killed. Okay, if that's the good news, the bad news? Oh, shit. I'm so bad.
The punchline.
I can't tell jokes.
The punchline.
This is why I don't ever tell jokes. The punchline is, but at least we don't have to ride back across Nebraska. That's the good side. Oh, shoot. Anyway, show them the road, Susie. You can show them with the camera. Everything looks good. It's not as green here as it was in
And absolutely no.
Colorado, and no mountains. It's pretty flat. And we were just saying the landscape never changes the whole way to Omaha. Fortunately, it's not very windy today. That's always important. We didn't have to run the generator much last night. We plugged in the Starlink into our lithium batteries and that worked fine. So we're on our way to Kearney, Nebraska, to Buffalo Fairgrounds, and we've been there several times. You've seen that before. We have a little routine going. And then Luke, my son, and his wife Lisa just landed this morning in Omaha. So they're getting rested up today, and we'll be spending tomorrow and Saturday with them, along with our grandkids. We're excited about that. So unless anything else exciting happens, that's it for now.
I hoped we were
Turn left onto Nebraska Turnpike.
He promised we would find the time.
Getting off of that exit.
Continue on Nebraska Road for 2 miles.
Yeah, it does take you a flight.
Creating perfect memories.
Yeah.
We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that
Enter the traffic circle.
time
Buffalo County Fairgrounds. We've been here many, many times. There's the exposition center. And there's the offices. And we are the only people here. The only RVers in the whole spot. Had a good ride. Highway 80, very busy. Once we connected from Colorado into Nebraska, trucks, cars, everybody racing 100 miles an hour, trying to get across Nebraska. Then we get here and it's 90 degrees. Ooh, we haven't hit this heat, shoot, since last summer. Arizona was, highest was in the 80, maybe got 80 one day, I don't remember. Anyway, I'm going over here to the office to pay. Nothing else exciting going on. I'm not gonna video making a cup of coffee like most YouTubers do. I'm just going to give you the facts. Catch you later. Oh no, there goes the cord.
And I looked at the clock. It was not plugged in.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me
Exit in
how
traffic
you
circle.
feel?
Oh,
I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right.
In a quarter mile, turn to
Running
Island
out to see me try. As I turn away
Oh, good job, Joe. Look what he did to the dash.
to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole.
Okay, we're heading down Highway 80. I'm trying to hold this and steer at the same time. You would not believe the traffic on Highway 80. It is bizarre. I don't know, everybody's out. And nigh that, there's a lot of trucks. I had a double long FedEx truck trying to pass me. So I sped up a little bit, left him. And the roads are pretty good in Nebraska, but the wind is supposed to be 8 miles an hour, but I'm getting some gusts that are a lot stronger than 8. Anyway, we're about an hour and 20 minutes from the campground. Tomorrow we want to go to the zoo in the morning, and it's going to be thunderstorms all day. So that could be very interesting. What?
I wanted to rent a car.
Oh yeah, we are going to rent a car. Luke's there with his rental car, but we rented another one so that we could get the kids to the zoo because his car only seated 5 and that would be 8. It's going to be fun when we get to Michigan and not have a car. It'll be very interesting. I think that's all I got for you now. Anything, Susie? Susie hates the camera, as if you noticed. All right. See you guys later. It's on the
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you. But my town's
Turn right onto Nebraska County North. Turn right onto Nebraska County North.
Here's the place to do a deep dive.
it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain. And without we failed our towns, only blew myself content. No peace around. 12th time around, wallowing in mirth.
two spots.
What was it worth?
this for your video.
So here it is. What time? Does it?
10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock Central Time. And we see some flashing lights out front. And 2 ambulances and a sheriff car pull up. That always adds excitement to your camping experience. Okay, we're going to the Omaha Henry Dorley Zoo with our grandkids.
We don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Everybody's going that way? All right, let's go this way.
That's just a
So,
baseball.
and we're really got
There's the
lucky
dogs.
or blessed because, oh yeah, because the thunderstorms moved till 4 o'clock this afternoon.
There's only
So we don't have to worry about getting rained on. So we got Toby, Solveig, and Vera with us.
Yeah, would you like it?
Here's the 2 sweetest girls in the whole.
You can get those little
battery for it because the battery's messed up. I threw away that battery because it was kind of swollen, and it's a lithium-ion battery. You know what happens to lithium-ion batteries when they get swollen?
No. So what are we going to see in here, girls?
Desert stuff.
Desert stuff?
And then we're going downstairs to the creatures of the deep, I think. And it's like the night.
Don't worry.
Don't look up, it ruins everything.
And he looks up.
Yeah. Because then all of a sudden you know you're not in a real desert. Buffalo, white-headed buffalo weaver. The zoo is craziness today. There's so many people here. It's crazy.
Yeah, sting for like a week.
Oh, look at this turtle down here.
And show them the
What's that?
its skin is starting to shed.
All right.
Statues don't talk.
This is our favorite desert. That's another.
And then everyone else is like sweating buckets.
We can do the aquarium and we might still have time to do the safari.
Yeah, I don't know. With just an hour. Ooh, look at this stingray.
It's still weird how we're breathing, but we're underwater.
What?
It's weird how we're breathing, but we're underwater.
I know. splashes when you step on it. No? No? It's a hammerhead, huh? Stick out your tongue again. Do you like that one, Vera?
Yeah.
What do you like about it? Figure out where the barn is?
It's like,
Imagine that on your boat.
Wave, Vera.
I'm riding the elephant.
oh, that's so.
Well, we're all wore out. We saw the aquarium, the desert, the elephants, the zebras. They went and saw the butterflies. Oh yeah, saw the giraffes. And now the kids went back with Liz because they're going to go to some benefit that their other grandma's at. And then they're going to go to a Harry Potter Renaissance fair. And then we're going to meet them back at the house at 5:30 with chicken tenders. So we're having a great day with the kids. And it's fun to be at the Omaha Zoo. I came here with my dad and my stepmom when I was probably 12 years old. So almost 60 years ago, I've been coming to the zoo. And when we lived here in Omaha, we were members. So we came all the time. And they've improved it quite a bit. It's pretty nice.
The wild peanut butter. I think that's all this was.